scientists have developed a small robot to understand how ants teach one another. The team built the robot to mimic the behavior of rock ants that use one-to-one tuition, in which an ant that has discovered a much better new nest can teach the route there to another individual. The findings, published in the Journal of Experimental Biology today, confirm that most of the important elements of teaching in these ants are now understood because the teaching ant can be replaced by a machine. Key to this process of teaching is tandem running, where one ant literally leads another ant quite slowly along a route to the new nest. The pupil ant learns the route sufficiently well that it can find its own way back home and then lead a tandem run with another ant to the new nest, and so on. This should cause us to wonder whether teaching actually occurs among non-human animals. And, in fact, the first case in which teaching was demonstrated rigorously in any other animal was in an ant. The team wanted to determine what was necessary and sufficient in such teaching. If they could build a robot that successfully replaced the teacher, this should show that they largely understood all the essential elements in this process. The researchers built a large arena so there was an appreciable distance between the ant's old nest, which was deliberately made to be of low quality, and a new much better one that ants could be led to by a robot. A gantry was placed atop the arena to move back and forth with a small sliding robot attached to it, so that the scientists could direct the robot to move along either straight or wavy routes. The pinhead was programmed to move towards the new nest either on a straight path or on a beautifully sinuous one. We had to allow for the robot to be interrupted in its journey, by us, so that we could wait for the following ant to catch up after it had looked around to learn landmarks. When the follower ant had been led by the robot to the new nest, we allowed it to examine the new nest and then, in its own. The taught ants found their way home much more quickly and successfully. The experiments were conducted by undergraduates Jacob Podesta, who is now a PhD student at York, and Edward Jarvis, who was also a master's student at Professor Nigel Franks's lab. Robot helps reveal how ants pass on knowledge. Science Daily, the 9th of August 2022. ift.tt/4h9eb. University of Bristol, 2022, August 9. Robot helps reveal how ants pass on knowledge. Science Daily. Retrieved August 9, 2022 from ift.tt/4h9eb. University of Bristol. Robot helps reveal how ants pass on knowledge. Science Daily. https://ift. TT/4h9ebxj, accessed August 9, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.